Hi guys, welcome to this short video about a test if Spinbackup, the backup of Google Drive, is really working. So it seems to be no problem with normal files. I mean, let's say JPEGs or PDFs or Word documents, but the problem with Google Drive and their backups is always what happens to the Google documents. So when you open, like you are on Google Drive like here, and you make a new document and you say I want to make a Google Doc or Google Sheet or Google Slide whatsoever, if you back up, replicate this on your local computer, it won't be downloaded. So you will have everything on your local replication on your PC, on your hard disk drive, but not the Google documents. They will be just a link which points to the Google Drive. So if you make a local backup from your hard disk to like an external hard disk drive, it won't be saved. So to show you how this looks, here I have my replication of the cloud Google Drive, and this is somewhere on my hard disk. And I have made a test. I've opened a new Google document. It's an Excel sheet or a spreadsheet. It's a test for Spinbackup, and as you can see, it is only 1 kilobyte. And on the right side, you see there is no preview available. So the only thing which this file really contains is a link to the Google Drive and no content at all. So if you like, you can right click on that and then open it on a notepad, and more or less the only thing what you will see is then a link which shows the URL on Google Drive, but not the content. So how is it when we save it on Spinbackup? Will it be saved? So I have created this document, I have saved it, and now I'm going to delete it and restore it, and we'll see if this really works. So here I am on my Google Drive. Here I have the test for Spinbackup. So I click on that, right click and remove, and it is, it says removed file is still accessible by collaborators. Yeah, okay, but not by me. I mean, from me, when I look it up, as you can see, it is gone. It's not available anymore. So now we are going to Spinbackup. And as you can see, I have it here. I mean, I'm on my Google Drive. I have been searching here in the search field for Spinbackup, and here I have the test for Spinbackup. So here I have it. I click on restore one selected file, start restore, and so let's see and wait for a while. There is a process thread here which we can see. Usually Spinbackup is not the fastest thing, but it actually already ended. So from what I see, I mean, I haven't been interrupting the thing. It looks like the process ended and should be restored. So let's go back to Google Drive. So here I am. I mean, it's uninterrupted, it's just real time. I search it and it is not here, so I do a whole refresh. Yeah, so maybe it was just because there was I had deleted, and now it had to be included in the new index. So it looks like it's here. I mean, I have refreshed the page, I've been searching again. That just took me a couple of seconds, and now I have the document, and I will click on that, and now we'll see if there is just a link or the full content. And as you can see, there's this content here. This is what I had in my document, exactly 100%, nothing else, just this thing exactly. And it looks like Spinbackup is not only saving the link, but it is really saving the content, which is really huge and much better than what you could locally backup. Of course, it is highly recommended to still use the site takeout.google.com, where you can also take out or like backup all the content, and whatever you download from takeout.google.com, it will also contain all the content, the real content of the documents. Not the same thing as you have here, where you only have the link to the document. So it looks like the Spinbackup is really working properly, and that's a really good relief. It's a peace of mind to know that we have a daily backup which is really backing up the content and not only a part of it or links or whatsoever. I've been using that for more than a year. I didn't have any problems, but I've never been using Restore. And just a couple of days ago, I've been thinking, yeah, what does it really save? Will it really be working when I need something? If something has been deleted, or like ransomware has encrypted all my files, will I be able to restore the real full content? And it looks like it should be possible. So very positive, and this is just my personal opinion. It's not a paid review, nothing here on the internet. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.